Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to use DeepSeek AI for homework step by step. Whether you need help with math, science, history, English, or any other school subject, DeepSeek can explain concepts, solve questions, and help you understand your homework more easily. It's a great learning tool because it doesn't just give answers, it can also explain how the answer was reached. This tutorial is perfect for beginners, so let's get started. First, open the DeepSeek website and sign in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main chat page, click New Chat to start a new conversation. Now click inside the message box and type your homework question. For this example, you can use a simple question from any subject. After typing the question, add the prompt, solve this homework question, and explain the answer step by step. Then click the Send button or press Enter. DeepSeek will generate an answer, along with a step-by-step explanation to help you understand the solution. If you want an even simpler explanation, type "Explain this answer in simple language," then send the prompt. DeepSeek will rewrite the explanation using easier words. To practice the topic, type "Give me 3 practice questions on this topic." After sending the prompt, DeepSeek will create additional questions so you can test your understanding. Remember to review the answers carefully and use them as a learning aid. It's always a good idea to understand the explanation instead of simply copying the answer. Once you're finished, you can copy the response or start a new chat for another homework question. That's how easy it is to use DeepSeek AI for homework. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.